If you have Blinkl and you don't know how to complete your quests, this video is for you. 9 quests, 3 extensions, free for life. We're doing everything together, step by step. So the concept is pretty simple. You've got 3 blinks to unlock, randomly. Each blink, 3 quests to complete. All right, let's kick off the first blink. 3 quests. First one, create a Smoothify preset. Super straightforward. Open your ring with Control plus right-click or Control K. Click the Blinkl logo right in the middle, and here you just select Smoothify. Now, create your curve however you want. I'm gonna go with an ease out, like this. And now just save the preset right here. Save as preset. And that's literally it. Quest number 2, add a Smoothify preset to the ring. Open your ring again, click the settings icon in the center. Go into your ring settings, select an empty slot. Scroll down a little bit. Yeah, right there, click on it. And just like that, your Smoothify preset is sitting in your ring. Done. Last quest for the first blink. Generate a voiceover on the timeline. Open your ring, click the logo in the middle, select voiceover. Write your script in the text field. Subscribe to the channel. Hit generate. And boom, your audio clip lands directly on your Premiere timeline. Done. First blink unlocked. What did I get? Oh, any paste. That's sick. All right, second blink. Let's go. First quest. Apply keyframes with Smoothify. Select or import a clip into your timeline, like right here. There we go. Head over to Effect Controls. Add 2 keyframes on the scale. I'll set it to 100 here. Boom. And a little further down, 115. Now place your playhead right between the 2 keyframes. Open your ring, go to the catalog, click on Smoothify. And then you can directly use the preset we created earlier. The keyframes get applied automatically. Done. Next one. Add an emoji to the timeline. Open your ring, click the logo in the center, select Emoji Picker. Pick the emoji you want. Yeah, I'm going with this one. He's kinda cute. Double-click, and boom, it's in your timeline. Done. Third quest. Mark beats on the timeline. Make sure you've got a music track or some audio active. Open the ring, click in the middle, select Beat Detector. Select your audio track, click Analyze Beats. And now click right here on Place Markers. Markers placed automatically on every single beat. Done. Second blink unlocked. And it's, oh, snap actions. Pretty sick. Last one. We're almost there. First quest. Add beat detector to the ring. Open your ring, go to settings right here. Same as before. Click on an empty slot. Search for beat detector. Ah, there it is. Beat detector is now in your ring.
Second quest. Apply an effect with snap action.
Select a clip on your timeline. Open your ring, click the logo in the middle, select Snap Actions. Pick an effect from the library, and apply it. Done. And the last quest, add an SFX to the timeline. Honestly, the easiest one. Open the ring, pick a default SFX, hit apply. That's it. Last blink. What did I get? Oh, beat detector. Let's go. 9 quests, 3 extensions. For free, for life. If Blinkl isn't installed yet, link in the description. Any questions about a quest? Drop them in the comments.